Okay, Friday's content work. You have clicked play to hear today's instructions. This video will be very brief because most of your instructions are under number 2, where you're answering by showing what you've learned. So click your class link to complete today's assignment in Seesaw. So you're going to open up your class link in Seesaw, and it will take you into your Seesaw assignment where you will find the rest of your instructions for today. So you're going to click the plus to add your response, and there's a template to add the information you found about your animal. You can either type, you can record, or you can draw information to add to your animal information and upload a picture of your animal creation on the final slide. So in the template, you have information and introduction slide, so click play to listen, and each slide has instructions, but you're going to input the information that you found about your animal on the 2 slides that have information. This is for a picture of your animal, so an actual picture from PebbleGo or Epic, or if you Google a picture, that's fine too, so upload that there. And then the last slide is for a picture of what you created at home. And the instructions again are in that Seesaw assignment. If you get done and you have extra time, you can extend your learning by finding your animal's home. So under number 3, use Google Earth to find your animal's habitat, take a screenshot, and post to Seesaw. If you need to download Google Earth still, you can click here, and there's a video that will explain how to download Google Earth. But you can play on Google Earth, find out where your animal lives, and upload a picture of that to Seesaw as well. If you have any questions, come see your teacher. Thank you.